Would you like to stay at the best accommodation in Sheffield at an affordable price? Steel City on Garden Street is known for housing students in the most comfortable way possible. The property has a variety of rooms, including en-suite rooms, two-bedroom apartments, and studios. Apartment and studio rooms consist of a bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. Amenities include refrigerators, microwave ovens, and safety deposit boxes. You can head to the study room for your upcoming exams and join your peers for a group study session. The entire premises is equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi. Recreational social spaces include a common space, gym, and cinema room. The University of Sheffield and Sheffield Hallam University is 5 minutes away from the accommodation. The weekends are always for exploring the city's pubs, restaurants, and shopping at the mall. For instance, you can go to the Three Tons and the Roebuck, who usually host amazing gigs on the weekends. Grab a bite to eat at Mama's and Leonie's and Vero Gusto before heading to shop at the Moore Mall. There is a lot of fun in store for you and your roomies at the heart of Sheffield. Visit amberstudent.com to book this accommodation today.